Okay, guys, so let's start off with the most popular asset here, the Bitcoin. So nothing has it changed from the last week. I told you that it has formed descending triangle here. Mostly, probably, it's going to bounce upwards a little bit to meet the red moving average here or the 200 moving average here before it drops even lower. If we have checked the weekly chart, we'll find. I'm sorry for the all of the drawings and stuff, but I don't uh, ever delete any drawing I make. The price is under the three moving averages, and it's very hard to cross over them. So I still see it as a more likely bearish than bullish. Okay, so it's pretty obvious for me here. But it just supporting strong support level here and here and here and there, very long support level here. Or okay, so this is for the Bitcoin. Let's check on the euro dollar. Okay, so on the weekly chart you'll see that also there's a strong support here. Mostly the price is going to bounce here upwards a little bit before it drops for one last time and breaks the like a year now sideways. This is, by the way, one great way to make money. So this is my general style of trading. I'm not a trend trader. I'm a sideways trader. So I like something like this: buy here, sell there, sell here, buy there, buy here, sell there, and so on. This is my style generally. So I like um, such kind, and as long as the price is over the two moving averages, I will never sell. One last point here is the price here is forming some kind of head and shoulders. So if we change this to the from candlesticks to area, we'll find here that head and shoulders is obvious and it came from a falling trend. I believe it's going to go upwards a little bit before it drops. So let me draw this here as an evidence against my analysis. Hopefully I'm right. So please don't take this as a certain financial advice. I'm just speaking loudly and thinking loudly and sharing my thoughts and ideas with you. So I'm not going to make this green, and this is a short-term bullishness, a correction for the general trend. So this is going to be yellow. So this is what I believe is going to happen. Okay, let me go to. Let me tell you about something interesting here. I have noticed US dollar CAD. So first, in the monthly chart, you will find that this has formed rising wedge. If I move to the daily chart, you will find here that the price has formed double top. It's very likely that it's going to go bearish from this point. Um, Let me check on the line chart. If you have checked on the indicators, you'll find that it's very much overbought. And as a result, I believe this is going to be bearish. Let me check on the weekly chart here. I will find I'm not so good with the I'm not very good with the names. I think it's called Tweezer Tops something. Um, so today is Friday, as I'm recording at the very beginning of the day. So if the price didn't move today much, I believe this is going to be a great chance for taking a long-term trade between this point till it meets red moving average here, probably at 1 4, let's say 1.4, which is almost 173 pips. So I wait until the next Monday. If closed in the same shape here, I believe 90% I'm going to take short selling from this point. Um, Also interesting, the pound dollar. This is the weekly chart. I told you about this secret before. Look at this beautiful rising wedge alongside with the moving averages. I believe if it broke the trend line here with the 200 moving average, which is the green line, I believe this is going to be also a great sign for selling, for shorting from this point. I don't see any reason why not. Just if you are a long-term trader, okay. And if you are a short-term trader, let's say you are a scalper, which is me also. In such cases, okay, the price may go one more leg here and breaks, but let's say it has broken from here with big momentum to the down to the bottom side, breaking all the three moving averages. I believe it's the how can I use this for my benefit as a short-term trader? Take only the bearish trades, okay? So if you are not long-term trader, this is the weekly chart. You might say, what the hell is that? What I'm going to do with this? I'm only opening a trade for a couple of hours and closing it. And that's it. I don't care what happens overnight. I understand, but you may add extra layer of accuracy to your trades. So you may only need to take short term trades, okay, or selling short term trades only, and avoid the corrections of the bearish trend. All right. What else I have in mind? Yeah, let's have a look at the gold, by the way. So as I told you here, this is the weekly chart. I told you that the price has moved between the channel, mostly probably. This is a bearish sign. If the price closed like this week or a little bit higher, this is going to be a short-term bullish until it meets the upper band. If I'm a gold trader, I'm not going to take this. I'm going to avoid it because it's counter trend for me. Just as same as I was talking about the pound dollar right now, same for the gold. I'm not going to take short terms bullish trends, counter trends. I'd rather to wait until it reach this point and show weakness signs. Then I'm going to short from that point. Okay, what else do I have? um, Let me check on the Aussie Kiwi. Yeah, I talked about it in the last videos or for several videos ago also. This is a very strong bullish trend. If the put your eyes on it, it may breaks the blue trend line and the blue moving average. This might be a chance for it to go lower. I don't think it's going to be strong bearish sign. It's going to be slow bearish from that point until it meets the red moving average. That's it for today. I don't want to make it longer than that. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe because you are going to learn a lot from this channel. Thank you.